In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the AC belt on this Ford F-150. This vehicle has the 3.5 liter V6 engine that's going to be located at the base and the front of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove these two push pins. I'm going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath there. Pop that up. Pop that out. We're going to remove this bolt. Use a 13mm socket. Take that out. Now on the back side of the snorkel, we're going to remove this hose. There should be a little tab. You just push in, and then you should be able to slide this off. Actually, the tab would be right there. This vehicle, the tab is missing. Just push that in, and that separates. On the other side, there's a hose right here. On the bottom, there's a little release. I'm going to push on that release, slide it off. You can see it's a little tab right there. Just want to push that to the side. Take that off. Loosen up the worm clamp. Use a 7mm socket. Loosen that up. And there's a hose right here. Just pop that out of the way. You can grab the snorkel, slide it back. Grab the airbox, pull it straight up, pull that all the way out. Using a 15mm socket, loosen up the tension on the tensioner. Push that down. You can slide the belt off the alternator, off the crank, off the tensioner, and off the water pump pulley. Pull that off. Using an 18mm socket on the crankshaft. We want to push the belt inward, so you can use a small pry bar or a screwdriver, and just as you turn the crank, it's going to pop that belt off. Now you could just cut it because you're going to be replacing it anyway, but it's always a good idea to just take it off. There we go. Now it's behind the crank. Just slide the belt off. There's the old belt. I'm going to take the new belt, slide it behind the crankshaft pulley. There's no tensioner, so it's just a stretch belt. Just get behind there. Go around the AC pulley. Let's see. And make sure that's all the way around. And go around the crank. And we're going to use some wire ties. Get that lined up, make sure it's still around the AC compressor pulley. All right, that's good. I'm just going to turn turn the crank pulley a little bit. Keep that lining up. There we go. Looks like it pretty much popped in place. We can cut the wire tie. There we go. One more. That's all lined up. Okay, so it's all the way around the crank pulley correctly and all the way around the AC compressor pulley. We're gonna put the belt back on. We're gonna go around the crank pulley. Go around the tensioner and around the alternator. There we go, and we're just going to hold it in front of the water pump. And I'll take the tension off the tensioner and put the belt around the water pump. There we go. And just double check all the pulleys, make sure the belt is in all the correct grooves, which it is. Now take the air box, get that lined up. Just push it into the grommets and over the throttle body. Push that hose in place. Take the push pins, get those started. Lock those down. Take the bolts, get that started. Tighten that down. Now we'll tighten the worm clamp down. That's good. Make sure that's tight. That's good. Take the hose, get that lined up, lock that in place, and the other hose in the back, lock that in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.